Imagine yourself in this GMC 2021 Sierra 1500 AT4. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are preferred equipment Group 4SP, 3.23 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, 18x8.5 machined aluminum wheels, 20x9 machined aluminum, front bucket seats, perforated leather appointed front seat trim, 10-way power driver seat adjuster with lumbar and off-road suspension. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.